If you're thinking that ChatGPT is just for writing on a daily basis, then I'm here to, just bust your bubbles because that is not the only thing you can actually do with ChatGPT. Yes, guys, with ChatGPT AI, all right, you can very well begin to make money for yourself on a monthly basis. So if you're looking at actually making money using AI, ChatGPT is one money machine that you can begin to, explore. There are a lot of channels that actually use ChatGPT to create what, they have right now, even on YouTube, and YouTube can become that channel and make that kind of money. Now, the best way for you to actually use ChatGPT is for you to start talking about how to actually make money using ChatGPT. Yes, guys, that's the best way, right? So right now you can begin to talk about how to actually make money using ChatGPT, using an in-video ChatGPT. So there is this application in ChatGPT. The ChatGPT has come to develop other ChatGPTs, right? In it we have in video, right? So with in video ChatGPT you can actually begin to create videos, right, for a YouTube channel. So with that you can begin to create a faceless YouTube channel that will make you money on a monthly basis. Like, YouTube is a platform that people come on a daily basis to, learn about things. And if you can create a YouTube channel, then you are, going to be making money for yourself. And if you feel like, you don't want to show your face, you are very shy, then you can start a YouTube faceless channel, right? There are a lot of YouTube faceless channels that are killing it on a monthly basis. You can start any of those and, begin to make money for yourself. So in video AI with ChatGPT is one thing you want to get started with. So all you just need to do is prompt it to create the type of video that you actually want to create. So it can be in any niche: motivation, fashion, history, documentary. I guess you have seen the African folk tale kind of videos. Those are AIs also. So you can create any of these AI videos and begin to make money for yourself using ChatGPT. So the best one is for you to begin to make money talking about how to make money using ChatGPT. On my number two, the next one you want to look at is blogging. Yes, guys, ChatGPT is one, AI tool that can actually help you get answers to anything. So let's say you want to start blogging, writing articles, so you can begin to blog for yourself using ChatGPT to write the articles that you want to blog about. So whatever topic you want to blog about, you can just type it on ChatGPT and ask it to generate what this topic is about. And also it's going to give you topic, it's going to give you description, it's going to give you everything you want to blog as it relates to that topic that you have given it. So blogging is another thing that you can get started with for yourself. Now the best part, right, when it comes to blogging is that you begin to make money with it when you install the Google AdSense, right? So with Google AdSense, you begin to make money on your blog. Now, I want you to understand that this is not something that is, a get rich kind of business, right, or business idea. This is something that you need to get started consistently. You're going to get the result that you actually want to get. So you just have to start and you will see the result that you want to get. So it is not a get rich quick scheme. I want to say that so that you don't say Grace told you to do this and it is not working. So it's going to work, but it is going to take time, right? So you need to understand the process and see how you can do this. So blogging is one of it, And like I said, faceless YouTube channel is something you want to look at. And how do you actually make money using faceless YouTube channel is that you can get sponsorship brands, right? So on YouTube, even when you do not get the threshold, you can actually get sponsorship brands to actually sponsor you. When you amass the kind of audience that people would want to, run ads on, YouTube begins to also run ads on your videos. And when they run ads on your videos, they get to pay you an amount of money on a daily basis, which will be accumulated together at the end of the month and will be paid to your account. So sponsorship is one way you want to actually, make money using your faceless YouTube channel. Also, YouTube will pay you money when you actually meet the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, right? So they will pay you money because they begin to run ads on your video. Another way you can actually make money using the faceless YouTube channel is for you to actually put up affiliate links. So if you're an affiliate marketer, this is something you can do, right? So you can actually have videos and put up your affiliate link directing people to actually click on those links to get what it is that you want them to get. So these are ways you can actually, start making money using the faceless YouTube channel. And you can also sell your own product using your Facebook, your YouTube channel, right? So you can create merchandise, you can do what you want to do. Selling your own product also is easier for you. That is what you want to do and get started with using the faceless YouTube channel. Now, my number 3 that you can do using Chatgpt to make money for yourself is for you to write an ebook. Yes, guys, right now the knowledge industry is worth over billions of dollars, right? So it is for you and I to key into this industry and begin to make money for ourselves, right? And the best way is for you to write ebooks. Now, the beautiful thing about Chatgpt is that Chatgpt is going to do all the write-up for you. It's going to write everything from your topic to, the title of your book. It's going to give you prompts for your cover. It's going to give you how to actually write the book, what to write in the book, what each chapter is going to have in the book. It's going to give you content, table of content for your book, everything you need for your book to be ready. Chatgpt can actually do that for you. If you want to learn more about creating ebook and selling ebook, then you want to join my class where I will be teaching you how to do this, right? The link will be in the description of this video. So Chatgpt is one app or AI tool that you can actually use to write an ebook. Now, when you write your ebook, of course, you want to put your own touch to it, right? So that you don't begin to sound like a robot, right? So you don't want people to know that you actually used AI to write the book. So you want to proofread it, you want to edit it, you want to go through it and see that, it is making sense for your audience, right? And if you have, any experiences as it relates to the type of book that you're writing, then you want to add your own experience, add your own touch to the book, and voila, you have a book that you can sell to people. There are a lot of people that are looking for one or two things right now, and writing a book on those things that they are searching for is one way you can begin to make money for yourself. So one thing you want to do is create your ebook and list it on Amazon, on Seller, on any of the ebook platforms that you can begin to make money for yourself. Again, if you want to learn how to do this, make sure you click the link in the description of this video and join my class on how to write and sell ebooks. All right, so the next one you want to look at again is for you to actually begin to create merchandise. So print on demand. Print on demand is another money-making machine that you can get started with, and Chatgpt is right there to do the work for you. Yes, guys. See, I don't know why we are not, utilizing ChatGPT, because there are lots of things that ChatGPT can do for you and I. Guess what, guys? What I am sharing with you, it is not the least, right? It is, I cannot exhaust how much ChatGPT has been able to help me and my business, and you too also can leverage on this, right? Leverage on AI and begin to make money for yourself. Whatever it is that you are, an employee, student, a business owner, you can definitely use ChatGPT and begin to make money for yourself, because there are a lot of things that you can very well do. Yes, guys, there are a lot of things you can do with ChatGPT. So again, print on demand is one thing you want to get started with. So there is this ChatGPT inflow of other ChatGPTs, right? You can actually get images that you can create. You can put on mock-ups, you can put it on books, you can begin to create stationaries, you can also create mock-ups, you can create mugs, t-shirts. All of these images you can actually put on Printify, or you can actually list it on Etsy. Now, before you get started with this, you want to go to all of this platform, Printify, Etsy, Gumroad, and all of that. You want to go there and search what people are actually selling, right? So that you see what people are buying, and you can begin to actually create your own merchandise and put on those platforms so that you also can make money for yourself, right? ChatGPT is right there to help you do the work of creating the images, okay? So you can get started with this. Another on my list is for you to become a ghostwriter. Yes, guys, there are a lot of people on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Instagram, on any of the platforms that are looking for people to write for them, okay? So you can become a ghostwriter, get in contact with them and help them write their posts, okay? So there are a lot of people on LinkedIn that I came across, and they help CEOs to actually write good articles on their profiles. Now, these articles are not written by the CEOs, they are written by ghostwriters, right? So ghostwriter is someone that writes for you in your name, okay? So you can begin to ghostwrite for people and you get paid for it using ChatGPT. Again, when ChatGPT do the work for you, you want to proofread, you want to check it out, you want to edit, you want to make it as human as possible so that people don't get to know that it is AI that you have used. So with this, you can also get started with freelancing, right? So freelancing is for you to help people, achieve results. So whatever results people are looking at achieving, like ghostwriting I have talked about, you can begin to help people actually freelance on copywriting. ChatGPT can do that for you. Like I said, there are a lot of things that ChatGPT can do for you. I cannot exhaust it on this video, but I want you to go try out any of these ones that I have talked about. Let me know in the comments which of these you'll be trying out, and let me know, all right, the result you will be getting, or the results you got after trying any of it out. And if you want help, right, I'm going to leave in the description of this video a link to my WhatsApp number so that you can book a one-on-one where we get to discuss how you can get started with any of this that I have discussed about. All right, guys, so this is not an exhaustive list. Like I said, make sure that you are consistent with any of what I have talked about. It is not a get rich quick thing, so you want to put in the work and you will very well see result. Until I come your way again, I wish you success, and my name remain Grace. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with people so that they can also get value from this. Don't forget to like, guys. Yes, this is one thing that you want to do for me. Like this video, let the algorithm knows that you have found value on this video. I will see you again on another video.